Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you WEBTOON how to delete series. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete series, what you need to do is head over and open up your WEBTOON app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, on the bottom bar you'll be seeing a bunch of options. Simply tap on my option, and then once you're inside you'll be sent to my series. Then all you gotta do in order to delete series is simply select the tab where the series has been downloaded, and then once you have selected it, you'll be seeing the trash icon on the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on the trash icon, and now here all you gotta do is just simply select the series that you want to delete, and then tap on delete once again and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully delete the series. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.